Our biggest event of the year, Global Education Fair 2023, has come to an end, and we are wrapping up feeling super pumped. What an incredible few months it's been for us at AECC India. We are so glad to have been able to create an unforgettable experience for all those seeking opportunities to study abroad. We had the privilege of hosting 160 plus university representatives from top 8 study destinations and a very large number of students from all across India. This fair gave us an opportunity to connect with so many of you and learn about your interests, passion, and fears. And let's not forget the countless conversations and connections made with educators and institutions around the globe. If you walk through those doors, know that your trust in us means the world. Choosing to study abroad is a significant decision, and we are honored to know that you chose us to be a part of your journey. As we wrap this remarkable fair, we carry with us memories of happy faces, dreams shared, and a sense of accomplishment. But this is not the end. It's just the beginning of all our support to all your education plans. That's why we have everyday events happening in all the cities we are established in. These mini events are designed to keep you informed and help you make the right decision. By following us on social, you can stay up to date with our monthly event schedules that mark application weeks, seminars, webinars, workshops, and much more. Our doors are always open throughout the year for you to walk in and get free and personalized end-to-end guidance. So drop in anytime and discover what's best for your future. And like we always say, we are here to guide you every step of the way.